What's up mga puppy boys? Okay. Clark is so excited to fly his first time ever kite.
There's an airplane up there. Look, there's an airplane. Guys, turn around. There's an airplane.
Airplane? That's not airplane. That's kite. So, ayan yung kay Kuya Carl. Go, Kuya! Oh! Sira!
No, he's not losing.
Go, Clark! Ay, go, Sean! Oy! Hindi man lumipad! Ayan yung kay Clarky. Ayan, inassemble pa ng kanyang dakilang ama. Ayan, dakilang ama. Napabili tayo ng kite dong. Nandito kami sa napakagandang ayan, lugar. Dito lang yan sa Mina Port.
I'm bad in kite, bro.
This is your first time, right? First time? Yes, this is your first time.
No, this is my
Sanay ako kasi sa walis
second
ting-ting
sano
tsaka
on.
Jaryo.
This is my
Oo,
second.
sa atin, ganun lang eh.
This is my second sano on.
Sana all. So ayan, lilipad na ang kanilang kite.
I'm not ready of this.
Marami.
Marami. Muna, then ibigay ko sa'yo, ha?
O, paliparin muna ni Papa P. Go, go, go. Go, Clark! Dapat tatakbo ka niyan, dong. Oh! Go, Carl! Ah, di ba? Ang ganda. Si Sean. Ayan, busy-busy. Hi! Ah, yun. Go, Clark! Hold it, Clark! Hold! Ano nangyari sa'yo, dong? O, diba ang ganda? Habang manunood dito, oh. Go, Clarky!
Sa Pinas, Jaryo lang at saka walis ting-ting.
Asa na yung kay Carl? Ah, nandyan. Gandang lugar dito guys kasi dito mahangin. Napalipad din. Parang astronaut, no?
Galing yung tatay. Saranggola lang.
Ah, dalhin mo yung bag.
Mandarin niya, ang mahal. Ay, sana akong ihaw na isda.
Saan ka kukain ng ginihaw? Ayan, ano yan? Ah, doon. So ayan guys, ang ating Pabibis Vlogs. Hala, you lost it! Agoy, you lost it! Wala na. Naputol yung kay Kuya Carl. Andun na, lumipad sa ano na. Wala na, you cannot na.
You just have to hold it. Don't keep doing it.
Ay, tiningnan pa mo niya.
Putol dito.
Wala na, putol na yung kay Kuya. Kay Clark na lang, kay Clark. O, diba? Kaya pa.
Ayan, nakawala yung sa saranggola.
So, hindi pala siya nakatay ng nakatay talaga? Baka tatawid-tawid pa yun doon sa sasakyan. Maganda yon. O yan naman pinili niya kasi.
It's so hard. The wind is like taking it.
Oh, hold Clarky. Go Clarky.
Woo! Hey, come! Move! Move!
Hawakan nyo pagka naano na naman yan.
When they move, move to the right. My hands are slipping. Tita Lynn! There it comes!
Go Sean.
Stop! Stop! Keep moving! Here it comes! Here it comes! I'll hold this for protection. Tight.
Go Clarky.
I don't want it to be like way hard. Right from you. No.
Hiningal ka Kuya.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Ah, Shano, this is yours. That's yours.
Claire, that's fine. It's okay.
Ayan, Sean.
Gusto niyo itong bumiling volleyball? Ha? Volleyball. Gusto niyo mag-volleyball?
Volleyball saan?
Ito. Marunong ka
Oh,
ba?
you lost that.
It's 22.
He's open. Ah. What is it?
Mabigat yata yung bola. It's not good volleyball.
Sabi ko kasi, that's not quality. Kaya masakit sa kamay. Kaso, hindi kayo naniniwala. Kaya,
Hala, sige, sige, sige.
kaya okay lang.
Takbo. Takbo na.
Earlier I was balancing like it was fresh new. Now it's not. Stick is right. Look at the stick. It's not broken. It's just like not balancing anymore. It's not balancing. We lost yours. Not this.
So dito naman guys, nag-aayos dahil ano siya, hindi balanse yung kite. Hindi balanse, no? Oh, may nagba-volleyball. Ang ganda kaya ng lugar. Kikita nyo guys. O, diba?
It is so windy, but it's not balancing properly. Finally.
So ayan, balance na daw. Oh, balance na, balance.
Look at the spring. Mommy, look at the spring.
Yes.
Oh, Shaki, oh.
Go Clark, hold it, hold it. Baka tangayin ka ng ano yan. Ikaw ang lilipad. Clarky. Eagle talaga, no? Bisaya, gyudong.
Hawakan mo puti, oh. Just like this, do like this. When it's falling down, so the air will, ano.
One on one, dong. One on one. Malamig na. Time check, 1 o'clock in the morning. Marami pang tao, guys. Kita nyo, maraming mga nagpa-park, naglalatag sa banig.
Ganda sa land. Land doon kayo, sana. Bikot.
So, yung mga ibang store, ayan, sarado na. Pero yung iba, bukas pa. Hindi, may kainan pa doon, oh. May kainan. Kaso busog kami.
Wala tayong
Ano yan
pambili,
din,
no?
ihaw-ihaw. Wala daw siyang pambili.
Kasi mahal.
Kasi ano, gusto lang niya libre. Libre. Diba?
Yung tali, oh.
Ay, yung tali. Sorry. Marami pa, oh. May asong ano, cute dyan, oh. Cute na dog. O, diba? Ano nangyari sa kite na yan?
I think it's broken.
Broken.
Wait. Not broken.
Go, Carl. Masakit?
Hindi ka maglaro.
Saan? Ah, nga pala itong bag. So, mamaya sasakay kami doon sa barko. Char. Sakay sa barko. No? Okay. Upo-upo lang ako dito, guys. Paano lang dito. Sila lang maglalaro. It's a dog. You go to the dog. Ah, ang cute ng dog. Oh, diba? Go, Clark. Fly high like a butterfly. So yan guys, maraming salamat. Ayan, nag-enjoy sila. Ayan, naglalaro. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. Woot woot woot.